まもなく大阪です。We will soon be making a brief stop at 大阪。
Hi, good morning. For today's video, pupunta tayo ngayon ng Japan. Kaya, tara, kaya tayo. This is Mom Michelle and Hi. Naghihintay na kami here at Tag-Spring lang. Departure time pa namin is 9. Hi guys, this is Ma'am Trish, one of our organizers.
Vlog ba yan? Hi everyone, my name is Trish. 1, 2, Trish. May ganon.
This is Miss
Val.
Just landed here in Japan.
Kami ba?
Naka-video kayo.
Kami ba yan?
Kayo to. Ano ang gagawin natin sa harap na?
Kakain ng noodles. Hindi. Joke. Ay, upfront ba? Sorry.
Yeah, upfront.
Iba naman. Sorry.
Hindi pa kami bababa. We'll be checking the front of the airplane. This is a one-time experience po. Po ang ating mga magagandang mga airplane. Ay, sorry sir. Wow! So, ito po yung
Leo.
Yes, our big boss.
Oo nga, your big boss.
No, pwede.
This is our captain.
Sabihin mo na lang kay Sir Leo.
Ay, kay Leo ba?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Yari ko wala kayong picture sa laban.
Oo nga.
Welcome to Osaka! Yay!
Konnichiwa, konbanwa.
Where are we?
You know what they do? On the bridge, they're taking pictures with a Glico background.
Picturean donkey.
Yes, they're taking pictures.
Thank you! Pasok na kami sa aming hotel. And dyan kami mag-check-in sa Swiss Nankai. Sisota Nankai. So this is our room. So this is the bathroom. And for the coffee. And then this is the bed. And then this is the view of our... Wow. Hi! So we're going to Goyard. First destination namin today. So nasa train kami agad-agad. We're here at Umeda Station. Hi, finally we're here.
Coach, maghanap ka ng coach. Baka meron kang hotel.
Wala yung mga
Hanap ka ng coach. Baka may gusto. Sila rin yung wala rin.
bibili. Sana tayo
We'll go back to Nambak.
Ayan, negative kami kasi wala yung mga gusto namin dun sa store. Ito. Bye-bye! Go instead!
going to Osaka Station.
Going back to Dotonbori. Ano building to?
Shinsaibashi.
This is Shinsaibashi. So, ayan. As you can see, marami tayong food choices here. We have different Japanese cuisine. Kaya, ano pang hinihintay natin? Naggutom na ako. Kaya, kain na tayo. Let's go! Here, dito kami kakain. Just the Japanese.
Kora? Wa?
Two.
2 から。
How is it?
Umai. Tasty. In Japanese.
Umay?
Umai.
This is so beautiful.
This is Dotonbori.
Dotonbori. Wow!
Ito yung ice cream.
That's a big ice cream, oh. Look. Wow. Cheers! 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 Bye!
Umai.
So this is the Kobe beef. Kobe beef. So let's try. Cheers.
Cheers.
Tikman mo na. Wow. What time is it now?
Time is 12. 12 Japan time.
12 Japan time. And ganito yung labas ng...
Namba.
Yan. Yan siya. It's 12 o'clock but ayan, alive pa rin. Pero, wow! So, bibili kami here at Family Mart. Magpad kami here. Edric, good morning.
Ohayo gozaimasu.
Konnichiwa, ohayo desu ka? Wow. Breakfast ko na ngayon here. At table to.
1
Wait lang, dito na po ba kami?
Pretty nyo naman.
Mas
Kamusta naman ang first day?
mabuti.
So guys, this is yung view ng ating kainan. Kaso, hindi natin. Then we have this. Ano wali? Medyo mabigat ang aming kainan today. Kaya,
Oishi.
Bye! See you later po. Kakatapos lang nila po.
Second day.
Bye! I'm with Duske.
Vlog.
Morning
Vlog.
Hindi naman po.
Sa Osaka na fair.
Yeah.
しまえばきっとこの夏は充実するのもっともう戻れなくたって忘れないで
Ay, ang ganda naman nito. Salamat po. Excited na po ba kayo?
Yes, of course.
Ayan,
Kumain
excited.
ng noodles.
Yes.
でも気持ちを伝えてしまえばいつかこの夢は覚めてしまうだろうな青い影が揺れる街角
Hi, Miss Trish.
Hi.
Gorgeous mo naman.
Right? I know.
Good morning po, Miss Queen. Gorgeous mo naman, madam. Ano siya?
Nissin Cup. Owner of Nissin Cup.
Seryoso. Ano pangalan? Basahin mo.
Nissin Cup Noodle. Seafood.
Hi, what are you doing today?
We're gonna eat noodles. Can you do it for me?
Why it's empty?
出してヌードルさいけ
So this is what I made. It's a trash. After this, lalagyan sila ng laman. Oh, so this is the museum now. Ayan. So different. Sa lahat ng gusto bumili ng souvenir, you can visit here, visit their shop. Ng namin. We got our cup noodles. Yeah, personalized. Diba? Later kakainin namin. Kaya samahan nyo kami. Our next station is
Hanaoka.
lunch. Hanaoka. So what's our lunch, Ma'am Myra?
It's Nabu.
This is from
Hanoka.
Hanoka.
Hanoka, inspired by Yap. Eat takoyaki. Watashi wa Edric desu.
Tabero.
Chinchin taberu.
Konnichiwa.
We are here now in Mega Sky
Yes, it's
building.
raining, but
It's almost,
no one can stop us.
It's 40 floors. So we will go there later. Then we will shoot, but I'm afraid of heights. So,
Me too.
ikemashou.
Ikemashou. We're going up to the
Skywalk.
So we're here at the Skywalk. It's raining. Pero laban lang si Ma'am Myra. Laban lang din. It's Mario. Yun yung order ni Sir.
Ice cream.
What's that? What's the
Ice
combination?
cream.
And then kiwi. And then I have coffee. We're here at the famous escalator in Humedes Sky Tower. Ano, video ko kayo. So we're done in Humedes Sky Building. How's your experience here?
So high.
So high. So high. You can reach for your dreams. And our next destination will be Castle.
Wow.
Sabi
Osaka
mo
Castle.
nga.
Kaya tara, biyahe tayo. Osaka Castle.
So papunta po kami ngayon. We're going to Osaka Temple. Osaka Temple is one of their tourist spots here. Kumakain kasi ako ngayon. Here in Osaka, bago ka makapunta ng Osaka Temple, you will walk for about 30 minutes before you can reach the temple. Branch na.
Kasama ko siya.
Cute. Saan yun? Ay, ito yung 10 yen, no? Basta po kami, malamig po talaga dito, ha? Totoong nasa Japan po kami. Di pa kami magsusot ng ganito kung nasa Pilipinas kami.
揺れる街角
So, we're back. We're here at
Konnichiwa.
Osaka
Castle,
Temple.
home of the Shogun in Sakurai. Shogun. Shogun.
Shoke. Charot.
Shogun. Shogun.
How long have you been here in Japan?
Libra, one year.
Hi, Miss Trish. Saan na po tayo niyan?
Dito, magdi-dinner na tayo.
Dinner.
Kobe D.
Oh.
Lulutuan ka sa harap mo. Gusto mo yun?
Yes. Gusto mo yun?
Ah!
Gusto natin.
Gusto mo yan?
Ayan. Basa na aking mima.
Alam mo paano lahat ng tsakang angle nakita na sa akin dyan? Lahat naman tinago ko sa...
Sa akin lang naman tuma. Sobrang lakas po ng ulan ngayon. Hindi na po kami makagalaw. Pero happy pa rin. We got to witness the Osaka Castle.
Hi. Konnichiwa. Rain desu.
Rain desu. Very, very strong. Pagod na si Mado. Ayan si Madam. Kaya pa ba ng mga friends ko?
Kaya pa.
So ayan po.
So, we are here yesterday.
We're here yesterday pero it's not raining kahapon. Now it's raining. It's been raining in Manila. Hindi ka pa malalamig.
Oh, mamay.
So ganda here. We have a lot of flowers. Kakabalik ko. Kagabi nandito lang kami. It's our mag-dinner for day 2.
何年経っても言えない後悔した手が回らない
リニューアル工事してるだけで今使えます。使います。工事してるだけで
Hi, Ma'am Michelle and Ma'am Myra. So, welcome to our dinner. This is Eitepanya style Japanese food. Cola. Ohio.
Is it good?
Oishi.
Thank you.
Here's to Sapporo. Nabusog ng aking mga friends.
海岸通りを歩きたいドライブだってしてみたい
Ayan, may dalawa na tayong kasama. This is Claire and this is Jean. Garcia.
Hindi.
Bilog. Charon. Kakadating lang po. Sarang heyo.
Koreano yun.
So, balik kami dito sa Dotonbori. Ayan. Claire, mag-picture tayo mamaya. Grabe, ang fresh mo naman.
Fresh from the isda.
Ito kami ngayon sa, ano to, Sigi? Segi? Ewan ko, basta. Bye, Miss Heart.
Bye, Miss Heart.
No pictures, please. No pictures. Ayan, nag-taxi kami. Because why not? We can. I'm with Jean and Claire.
Hi.
Ayan ang mga pinamili nila. Mga akala mo nag-work from abroad. And also this is mine. And pauwi na kami. Hindi na namin kinaya na yun.
Ito, napagastos tayo ng very light.
Yes. Sinort lang tayo ni Madam.
Dinaan sa
Anong oras na?
12:08. Gagala kami.
Saan?
Maghanap kami ng hapon.
Otoko.
Ato kami.
Sabi mo na Chin-Chin Tabero.
Chin-chin tabero.
Alam mo, napaka-pogi mo.
Green ako. The green one.
Ano yun sa... Takoyaki.
Kasama ko si Claire, si Jean, and si Eddie. Kakain kami ngayon ng takoyaki. It's 12:50 and the night is still young. Kaya naman, tada! Kaya tayo. Yan, so, is this your first time to taste an authentic takoyaki?
Hi.
Ayan na, saan tayo kakain? So ayan, kakainin namin siya here sa taas ng bridge and this is our view. Look, it's so gorgeous. Thank you babe sa date. Saranghaeyo. Mapanghe. Tapos may masasarap na ganyan. Ito pa oh, daddy.
Friday.
君の虜になってしまえばきっと